Has your quadcopter ever burst into flame and fallen in a trail of smoke? Stay tuned to hear my story. Hi, I'm Joel Lightcatcher, and I have a really weird story to tell you. A weird quadcopter story. This is my latest quadcopter, and as you know me, you know I've built quite a few quadcopters. Well, I was going to do some serious PID tuning on this up in Lake Wales, Florida in early November. I happened to be at Flight Fest 2017, and I asked my friend Jody to spot me while I did some PID tuning tests. So I have my FPV goggles on, and I take this out, and I'm going to do some hard punch-outs. 1, 2, third one, very hard, and that's when it happened. I lost control, and Jody goes, there's a big flame, and it's falling in smoke, and I see it tumbling to earth, and I go, what the? I have no idea what's going on, because I thought, the flight controller, the battery, something totally catastrophic. I just totaled this quad. I had no idea. Anyway, long story short, it wasn't such a bad deal. The ESC just totally shorted out. If you can see from the close-up here, it's totally charred and fried. Now, like any electronic, if it's going to go early in its life. And I've only had maybe 2 or 3 batteries through this quadcopter. But this ESC is a total loss. So what do I do? Just repair the ESC, run it through BL Heli Suite, reconfigure it, and I'll be back in the air again. So I want to ask everyone out there, is anyone else using EMAX 30 amp Bullet ESCs, or any others for that matter, and they have a story of a flaming burnout on their quad in the air? Leave a comment below.